Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and initial review install video, pretty much everything all in one. This is the hair that I'm going to be reviewing from WoWigsHair. This is what they sent me. It is an 18-inch curly, so it is a deep curl. They sent me a U-part wig, so I'm going to leave all the details of this unit down below in the description bar. But just taking it out of the box, it feels beautiful. It feels really soft, and it came with 2 free headbands. So we'll see if we can make these headbands work at all today. I don't know, but this is going to be the initial review slash try on of this wig, so let's get into it. So right away you can see that there are 3 combs, and then they have the clip combs in the front here. So this is what you're going to clip onto your natural hair to secure the unit, and this strap here you remove, so you'll cut that off. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's get into the install portion of the wig. Okay, so I'm gonna secure that one as close to my parting space as possible. Ooh, this is gonna be cute, you guys. And the cap is definitely roomy, so if you have more hair than me, you can definitely wear it. Then I'm gonna secure. I could have gotten away with even having less parting space, but that's okay. Right off the bat, you guys, the hair feels really soft. It doesn't have a strange smell. It just smells like typical hair that you would get from the hair store or just any hair that you would get online. Now that that's on, we need to figure out what we're gonna do with the top. Okay, so already that's blending in very nicely. She is cute. But yeah, this is the 18-inch. Oh, that one came out way nicer. Okay, I'm gonna recrimp this part. Oh, I think that's the way you're supposed to do it. Okay, guys, I was crimping it all wrong. It's beautiful hair. It's blending well with my hair color. And I think what's really good about this is like, it's so convenient, right? Like, so this is like such a good option for me. But, oh my god, it's so cute! You guys, I'm genuinely loving this. And if you're someone who always wore lace front wigs and never considered wearing this type of wig before, I'm telling you, definitely think about it, because this might very well be the game changer. So this is the curly texture. And you cannot tell me, like, you can't tell me that that's not my hair. You probably do some hairstyles with it. You could pin it up like this. How cute is that? Let's see. Look at that. I'll gotta make sure that that part's hidden. But look how natural this hair looks. Go in and just clean it up just a little bit on the ends, just to make it look more like a bob. Oh my god, this is so cute. So guys, I want to talk about a little bit of the details from the company, so you guys can purchase this and have all the information for this hair. So again, the hair is from WoWigs. It's 18 inches and you can literally wear it out of the box. So the good thing about these units are you don't have to worry about bleaching the roots on the wig because it's not a lace unit. You use your own hair, obviously, to disguise the wig. The details, it says it's virgin hair. So it's a soft, natural texture. It doesn't feel like it was chemically processed to me. I haven't done any other tests on the hair to know for sure, but I'm gonna take their word for it. Shipping, it comes with DHL. For me, my package was shipped to me within 2 to 3 days, business days, and I live in Canada. So if you guys are living in Canada and you're wondering what the shipping process is like, yeah, I got it shipped directly to me and there was no other taxes or fees that I had to pay on my end. So love that, because some companies do charge you for duty on their items. And the cap size is medium. So the cap size on this unit is medium, and like I said, there is quite a bit of room in here. So if you have braids or your hair is just like in its natural texture, there's still quite a bit of room in the back that you can fit your natural hair. I don't know how else to say it. It looks natural, girl, get it. I definitely recommend getting this hair. Yeah guys, if you want this hair and you want this exact unit, there is gonna be a discount code for you guys. Oh my god, you guys, I got so excited. I forgot that they sent me these headbands. This, basically, you can turn into a headband wig. Even though it's U-part. You just gotta be careful of where you place it. Cute! And then I have this one here. So I want to see how big this hair can get. So I'm going to brush it out with my fingers, of course. So it is a full, very, very full, like this hair. They put a lot of hair on this wig. It says it's 150 density, but it seems even fuller than that to me, which is definitely not something that I'm gonna be mad about. So definitely want to show you guys what it looks like wet. That's what it looks like wet. If you wanted to wear it wet, you could do that. Super cute. So I've exposed myself today in this video. I've exposed my natural hair, my relaxed hair. Definitely recommend, 10 out of 10 recommend, get it girl. Get one for you and your mama and your mama's mama. Okay? Until next time guys, peace.